Welcome. In this video, we learn how to check if the word script appears at the fifth position in a given string. If it does, we'll return this string without script. Let's dive in. We need to check whether script starts at index 4 in the string. If it does, we'll remove script and return the modified string. If not, we'll return the original string. Here's the code to check if script appears at index 4. If it does, we return the string without script, and if not, we return the original string. We use the substring method to check if script starts at index 4. If true, we rebuild the string by removing script and concatenating the rest of the string. In this example, the word script is found at index 4 in JavaScript, so the function removes script and returns Java. Here, script is not found at index 4 in CoffeeScript. Therefore, the function returns the original string. Here's the same code written using ES6 arrow functions. It achieves the same result, but with a more concise syntax. To summarize, we use string slicing to check if script starts at index 4, and we removed if present. This is a useful technique for handling substrings in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials on JavaScript programming.